Yeah, you. Boys got the foils out. Let's go. Catch and cook for Sunday, baby. Super Bowl. Oh. Don't come back, bruh. Yeah, you. One down, baby. Yeah. Woo. Oh, 2 Papios down already. Too small that one though, huh? Catch and release. Now we find out here. Hey buddy, I just gotta grab my pole. Okay. You cool over there. Oh. Ooh, stay cleaning up already. Oh. Forget. Save your line for next time. What happened?
Forgot my reels, my dogs. Distracted.
Okay. Doing good day.
Be like that sometimes.
Spencer got 2 Papio. We're gonna eat that tomorrow. Super Bowl. Good size, yeah. Nice. We're gonna oh, and with Christmas wraps, we're gonna try to do something with that. Wait. See the Papio, come on. Oh, no, I forgot about the eel. Oh, I think it was long.
Average size.
There you go. Oh, 1, 2. Wow, just toss them in there like blah 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 blah. Nah. Okay.
Yeah.
Super Bowl Sunday though. Cook them up. Yeah. Whew, we just got to Spencer's for the Super Bowl. We're gonna cook up those papios and that Christmas wrath. I think it's Christmas wrath, but we're gonna cook them up. Yeah. Just gotta grab some stuff. Come here, Nala. Where you going? Come here. Why are you shy? Where's the shaka? We'll cook the papio in here, guys. Get ready. Dogs. It's the guy right there, papio slayer. With the pacifier. Some rosemary, look. Woo!
There you go. Oh, that's fucking vital. Fuck. Why are you using that?
Catch and cook, baby.
Fucking focus.
I don't do that.
Fucking where's the shop?
My name not Royce, get it? Oh shit.
Fuck, Royce get it Junior over here.
Oh, you get 3 shots going. We're going 3 shots right now. 3 shots, 3 deep. Let's go.
Yeah, Royce get it, and this is Royce got it.
No. Ooh, kind of fishy, yeah? This is how we do, cuz. Look at the POV.
Yeah.
Burger's almost done.
Give me that fucker, bro. So I can can be more in the fucking game.
Be more in the game. All for fun, bro. Look, the eyeball is gone. Oh, I think there it is. They eat the eyeball. There. The eyeball. One down. This one is breaded, cause we're gonna bread this one with the panko, bread with the panko.
You man said we in bread on cause you get that.
Get the bread. No. We're gonna put them in the wok and we're gonna fry them.
Yeah.
There you go. We're gonna fry them in the wok. Look at this. Ooh. Huh? Oh, you gotta show what the thing is. Oh, that's fire, guys. Ginger, yeah?
Ginger.
Ginger. Bell peppers, onions. What's that thing called?
Scallions.
No.
This one.
The green shit.
Green shit.
We got green shit, some good shit, all kind of shit.
Yeah, you cannot put fucking the light. Not for real.
We're gonna steam this. I'm gonna steam them, cuz. We're gonna steam this fucker, dude. Huh? Keep them warm, cuz. You gotta wrap them. Give them foil. Get on, boss up the aluminum foil. Get holes. That's for it. Air ventilation. Air ventilation. Turn the time off. What minutes? Small collie. We only put it in for like 20 minutes, I think. spread right here.
Overtime.
Open them up, guys. Little peel. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed that catch and cook little fishing trip Super Bowl party that we did. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next one, till the next fishing trip. Catch you guys later. All right, aloha. Choo, choo, choo.